Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get thank you cards for the Maltese and Heartopia collaboration. So if you go to exchange store here, you can purchase thank you cards using your wishing stars, but you can only purchase 30, which equals to 90 wishing stars. So I'm just going to purchase it because I want to get items from here. It's not a lot, so I can probably only get the like hat here. And I don't know if I'm able to get it again tomorrow, but I'm not sure. If you need more thank you cards, you can also purchase it using um the what are these called? The diamonds, the heart diamonds, but they do cost money and like two is like 40, so it is pretty expensive here. Says each support guarantees one of the following items. Thank you cards can be used in the exchange store. So you can only get it via like wishing stars, I guess. Let me see if I'm able to get more. Okay, so if it's a different like exchange store, you can get it again. Like you can exchange it here. So I think I'm going to do one for this one too, but again, the maximum for it is 30. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.